and welcome to Start It Up. Here we talk about business ideas you can use. It's the age of rebellion and the age of freedom. From movies such as Three Idiots to Tamasha, even the mainstream has started to popularize the concept of following your heart and excelling in what you love. This urge to abandon your 9-to-5 job and jump straight into your passion has resulted in a new form of worker, the freelancer. Well, the concept in itself is not entirely novel, with people offering their services as an individual for a one-time fee, but the sector has found takers in the niche, one of which includes photography. To be a professional photographer or videographer, it's no longer necessary to build your own fancy studio and spend loads as initial investment. If you think you have what it takes to click the right moments at the right time and deserve to make money out of it, here's a detailed guide to help you start it as a freelance photographer or videographer. Even if you have what it takes, you need to set up a few basic things before you go out there offering your services as a freelance photographer. First, a good camera setup. It may look like you are doing just fine with your existing camera, but to do it for others who are paying, you would need to up your game a bit. If they are paying, they would expect the highest quality, and for that, buy a decent camera that you can take crisp, high-resolution photos and videos with. Once you have a camera, buy 2-3 lenses, a wide-angle one prime, and a telephoto lens. All of them should cover all technical bases, and you can use them depending on the nature of the shoot. Portfolio. You may land up a few first projects thanks to friends and family, but you need to build a good-looking portfolio of work if you're doing this for full-time. For videos, use Vimeo, as it doesn't have ads, and considering the smaller community and competition, has better chances of getting noticed. For photos, you can build your own website, but don't forget to build a social presence alongside. Next is marketing. Well, how important is it? Well, the most. With so many out there, how do you really sell your craft without paying a hefty sum? Use social media to maximum effect. Instagram has been a boon for several artists and photographers, and it's time you did it too. A camera setup will cost you anything upwards of rupees 1 lakh for a beginner. A website will cost you anything between rupees 5,000 to 10,000 depending upon your requirements. For marketing, using ads on any social platform will cost you money, but it is a good way to get initial traction. They should ideally cost you rupees 4,000 to 5,000 a month if you're just starting. Once you have a good presence, you may also expand your offering to include editing. For that, you would need a good computer which can cost upwards of rupees 70,000, and thereafter license some good editing software such as Lightroom, which comes with cloud storage and can cost about rupees 10,000 a year. As a freelancer, you can charge hourly, daily, or even just on a per project basis. Here, it is important that you both value your work as well as know how much you could afford to charge. You can charge less initially, but as you have more work to show, the fee should go up accordingly. For a beginner, rupees 2,000 per day of work is recommended. For video editing, an additional rupees 2,000 to 3,000. One of the many challenges as a freelance photographer is constantly finding work. On some days, you would have more work than you can take, and then there will be periods of extreme lows when there's nothing, which is why it is important to network and build relationships with people you work with. If you like this business idea, do tell us, and for more such ideas, log on to www.entrepreneur.com.
Liked the video? Then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to Entrepreneur India. Hit the bell icon to get notified for more such videos.